Hello everybody! Today we're going on a camping trip to Palomar mountain. Let's go! So we came here. Our place is 22. Let's go check it out. Some steps here. So this is our spot. We got a table here, a grill, a fire pit. Wow, it's so nice. We got water there. Not sure if this is drinking water or not, probably not. What is this thing? Wow. That's to keep our stuff in. It's another grill. So first meal of the day will be for us burgers with organic grass-fed beef patties, then some cod, onions, and for burgers the cheese, the buns. So charcoal's in the process. Alright, cooking the burgers. It's about to get dark and we decided to try this trail. Let's see.
Up a valley.
A valley. It's pretty long. How many miles? We're here. And there's so many other ways we can. Alright, so we're going to the trail. Just going straight. There's like a bunch of little trails around and it was kind of confusing on the map, so we just decided to keep walking and then until it gets dark. There's some actually like mountain lions around here. On the sign it says that you just raise your hands up and make a lot of noise so they're gonna scare away. It's better not to hike around here by yourself. This thing is scares pretty much every animal around, so I got it in case if I don't know, there's probably no bears around, but mountain lions, they will not like this sound. That's what we're gonna do if we're gonna see mountain lion. Oh, look at those trees over there. I don't know if you can see it. Super nice. Look at this. donut and marshmallow. Alright, and we got marshmallow on the donut. Let's do the test. Best. This is the best thing ever. But super good. With tea. Amazing. Morning. It's 5 o'clock in the morning. Can you hear all these birds? Difficult to sleep first night when you're camping. Like all excited, and I drank a lot of tea, and it was like super hot the first half of the night, and then second half of the night was pretty chill. And then 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock I decided to wake up. It's time to make some breakfast. Gonna do some sausages, sandwiches and some tea. And then we're gonna go and hike a little bit. Alright, I'm gonna go and do the fire and do some breakfast for us. Let's do the morning fire. So it just started to rain, so I put this cover on the tent not a big rain. It's gonna stop soon for sure. So far I'm just chilling here by the fire, drinking tea, relaxing. Alright, it's day 2. We're trying to get to the little pond, little lake that should be not too far from us. There's a trail, but we won't get lost. Strawberry, zemlenika, and here it is, everywhere here. Yeah. You can find it everywhere in the forest. If you found one, there's gonna be plenty around. So look, here's one more, here's one more. Look at this one. Wow.
So pretty.
Wow. And let's see if we can go through this obstacle. Oh wow, I can actually see water. Wow, it feels so good. Oh my God. So sweet, it's ridiculous. There's this wild one. The domestic one is a little bit more bigger. Yeah. Look, it's everywhere. Woo! Donut Pond. So we're going that way. Let's go. Jump. Yep. Finally, we got here. All right, we're going back. All right, so I made a sandwich, 4 cheeses, 4 different meats, and sausage, and the other one without cheese. It'll be a delicious thing to try. Oh god, the most amazing thing ever. guys, so we finished. 2 days. It's been like really quick time. We got all our stuff back in the car. Everything is clean. Firewood is about to die there. The last piece is right there. So everything is nice. Great spot. And we got rain. Look at that. We're about to go home and it starts to rain. It's perfect. Alright guys, thank you for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.